All right, here we are, Peter Jello coming to you live. We are at the pool deck, man. Just finished a nice pool deck. Got a lot of fans here. You can meet them all right now. Beautiful pool deck. And here is my #1 fan. How you doing, buddy? How are you? How do you like the deck? What do you think? Yeah? Not bad, right? Chris, the man, got a nice chip here. What was the name of this chip, Chris? Shoreline chip. Installed 2 days. This was a train wreck out here, and came out here in 2 days and made this killer patio here. And there's a lot of different fans. This is my #1 fan. Hey, buddy. Be a good boy, you. You be a good boy. Let's see who else. Is this your brother over here? Looks like there's another guy here. All right, look at that guy. Hey, buddy. How are you? Like the deck? All right. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Looks good, Chris. Great job. It's Peter Jello, Satin finish. Over and out.